Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about a conversion you can do to our normal AA1C as shown here. This conversion was done via STC by Ken Blackman, and the airplane became known as SNOUT. And we'll talk about that in just a minute. I'd like to thank Dave Wheeler for sending me the pictures of the original SNOUT airplane. So stay tuned, folks, while we have a little fun with this topic. I'd like to ask you please subscribe. Hit the like button and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So we've always seen the things that you can do to your two-seater aircraft. Like here's a Yankee with a 180 horsepower, but it doesn't do anything to the cowling. It gives you a lot more takeoff, a little bit more speed, and a lot more climb. But now let's take a look at SNOUT right here. When you look at SNOUT, what you'll notice is that is a Cheetah cowling and a Cheetah dorsal fin on the aircraft. So when you put that on the aircraft, you get a very stable aircraft, but you also get an aircraft with a very long nose, hence the name SNOUT. So those were some mods you could do to the airplanes back in the day. I'm going to warn you, your CD envelope is going to be a little bit smaller, but it's a nice looking airplane, and with the 160 horsepower on the AA1C airframe, it was quite the performer. Ken told me once there were actually two SNOUTs made. One was yellow, as we saw here. The other one was red, and when they flew together, he has pictures of them. They were called mustard and ketchup. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.